Yeah, let me grab my toolkit.
Wow.
That's nice, right? Well, it's such a cumbersome like slog to drag this thing down the stairs every day.
Try to share.
Mm-hmm.
Table turn.
That's what I got.
Yes, that will help.
Is that
Yes,
good?
thank you.
Okay, cool.
Ryan, how's your Monday going? It seems like you got a little pep to your step.
Do I have pep to my step? Monday's awesome. I get to work on trees today. This was the product of Pine Deadwood Creation, which you'll all get to see as a stream coming soon to the holiday season. But this used to be like, twice that long. Which, you know, as far as this not being hammerable, that feels like a really poor design, because this is certainly designed to be heavy duty. But anyways, you know, I mean, look at these. There's no way I can reef on that chisel as much, but there's also no way that's coming apart. So I don't know what this was all about, but let's do better. Let's do better. Anyways, deadwood on pines. Had a little sap leakage. This is the old sphagnum trickeroony. Soaks that sap up. Now I can come on back to this bad boy. And I just got to get it on this lower section. But this is deadwood work. Long time in the coming since we did this on the stream. But as it's kind of continued to progress, this tree makes me very happy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this has been entirely built on Mirai Live, start to finish. It's only actually been 2D candling season so far, but it's freaking crushing. And I don't know that there's a better field-grown pine in North America in terms of base, movement, structure. It's like, it's pretty awesome. This, and then check this out. Baby Kraken, ready for a fresh wire. So Troy and I repotted this thing. The root system from the native field soil wasn't good. We had some red lava in there that wasn't good. So it wasn't in stellar condition. But to get the tree to sit like this on this container is like a feat of engineering for it to balance and not be tied. Anyways, as Troy's working on it, it's braced there, but this is ready to be rewired. It's gonna happen today too, because we do have some other junipers of tremendous stature that are coming into the workshop this end of this week. So we gotta turn and burn. Turn and burn. Let's get it done. Worked with when we were originally starting Mirai. What's up, Troy? How are you? Oh, doing great. There it is. I always wonder about that with cheap traders.
Or it's taking you well.
Tough to see it, isn't it?
What's that?
Tough to see it, huh? The wound.
Oh, I didn't even. Yes! I didn't even see the wound.
Am I good? Perfect.
what else is happening this week?
Juniper work, as always. Hopefully some construction. I feel like there's something construction. Oh, I'm building a new bed for Taff. That's exciting. The oscillation between construction and bonsai activity has always really challenged me because I tend to go pretty hard into one or the other. So I'm trying to divvy my days between focusing strictly on bonsai for that day or focusing strictly on construction, but I'd be lying if I said I'm not excited to finish the floor of the greenhouse, but that's gonna have to wait. That doesn't happen this week.
You excited about the stream?
Am I excited about the stream? Yeah, who doesn't want to make a bonsai out of a Christmas tree? Let's get it. Black Hills spruce? I've never.
Are you gonna keep the bow on?
I mean, the bow feels like it's just intuitively a part of that whole process.
The ideal apex.
It is. Is the bow the apex, or does the apex have to be the foliar mass? It's the question that's going to come up. I can already tell you. No, it should be a good one.
Well, have fun doing bonsai.
I will. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for that permission.
There's just not enough copper manufacturers. Maybe we should start making our own.
How is copper made? You have to like mine for it? It's on the periodic table of elements, right? Copper is essential to all living organisms as a trace dietary mineral. Apparently, the adult body contains between 1.4 and 2.1 milligrams of copper per kilogram of body weight. So we could take copper from ourselves to make the wire.
Ooh, a little bit of Ryan Neal copper in there. It's 0.01% Ryan Neal copper.
There's a little tiny bit somewhere in here. Most copper is mined or extracted as called copper sulfides. In the US, the hotspots for mining, it looks like, for copper is in Utah and in New Mexico. I have a lot to learn, I guess, for copper. It's important for all living creatures. I'm just like, that's kind of like confusing me and like,
Well, we're all stardust, and stardust is, you know, copper, and stardust is carbon, and all these things
I like that.
were made in a furnace, a star furnace, and then exploded and turned into life. Copper is one of those things.
So copper exists out in outer space then?
Mm-hmm.
How? Where did it come from?
That's a great question. I bet you like there's probably a very specific temperature that a star gets where it starts to make copper.
Yes, this is fun. Okay.
Neil deGrasse Tyson probably talks about it at some point.
Oh,
It-
yeah.
So he would be able to articulate that
Yes,
well.
much better than I would. High thermal and electrical conductivity.
Does it? Is it bit in? I think I'm gonna wait till springtime and do like a full unwire rewire.